Today we're going to teach you how to winterize your trailer. Let's start by emptying your gray water, black water, and freshwater tanks. Next, we'll add antifreeze to the freshwater tank. Most trailers take 2 to 3 gallons. Step inside the trailer, we'll turn on your freshwater tank switch. We'll open your fixtures one valve at a time, starting with the hot water. You'll run the fixture until the water goes from clear to pink or red, depending on the color of your antifreeze. Next, we will turn off the hot water valve and go to the cold water. Be sure to run plenty of fluid through to make sure that antifreeze goes through the drain trap as well. When flushing your shower, make sure you turn your drain switch on. And again, allow plenty of fluid to flow through the system in order to flush down the trap. If your trailer is equipped with an outdoor shower, please make sure to follow the same steps to flush that fixture as well. Now that we have flushed the fixtures from within the camper, let's step outside. Under the trailer located beneath the shower, you'll see the shower pump and drain. Let's verify the clear line there is now filled with antifreeze. Next, we'll go to the city water fixture, carefully remove the screen within. We'll push the button to allow the antifreeze to flow out through the city water inlet. Make sure you stand to the side as it will spray out with significant amount of force. Lastly, let's make sure the switches are to the off position for both the freshwater tank and the shower floor drain. And the last step, we'll turn around and we'll open all the valves to make sure your freshwater, gray water, and black water tanks are all emptied again to finish the process. And now your winterization process is complete.